Hey guys, welcome by the channel. Today's episode will be continuing with the West Ham United rebuild. Today's episode will be episode 30 of the West Ham rebuild. Last episode we made the signing of Nicholas Sule from, I think he's supposed to Bayern Munich to take the position of a good upgrade over what's that guy's name? Bakayoko. So he'll be in our starting lineup today. Dubois can get back in there. I'm just gonna rotate the squad a little bit. Let's bring off Declan Rice. Oh shoot, Declan Rice. Let's bring on Bakayoko. Let's bring on Palacios. And let's take off Everton. Oh, I still haven't put Tommy Abraham in the starting lineup yet. Oops. That should be the starting lineup. Yep. Well, they still have two. The defense is kind of a little weak. They have 240 rated players in the lineup. But Iheanacho scores. Let's bring on this guy. Let's bring on Declan Rice. And let's bring on Palacios. And that's Everton scores. But then Iheanacho scores a penalty kick. But we go through 7-3 on aggregate. And we'll be facing Chelsea in the finals. Good to know. Good to know. Now we're playing Arsenal, who just beat in the league. I'm pretty sure. Yep, we just beat them in the league, so now we're playing them in the cup. Let's grab the elastic sleep of that. Yep, that's gonna be our team we're rocking today. So guys, this video is not sponsored. Let's get into this FA Cup game against Arsenal. They signed Arthur, I think. No, they didn't. But they still have, what's that guy's name? Cannot remember that guy's name. What's that guy's name? They still have David Luiz. Yes. That's the guy I was looking for. Let's go. Everton scores. This team is cracked. Tommy Abraham scores. Everton scores a hat-trick. Ronaldo Sanchez scores. Yes. So against Tottenham, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure, but maybe a London derby. Jack Grealish. Blocking. So let's get into this game against Manchester United. Let's get training done first. Milita almost to 86 there. Nicholas Sule is already going. Tommy Abraham's almost there. Declan Rice is almost there. Mainga is almost there. Odriozola is almost there. Ronaldo Sanchez, Diop is over there. A lot of players are going. Which is what you like to see. I'm just gonna loan. I can't loan these players out. Actually, never mind. But the transfer window is almost closing. This is the full strength starting lineup for us, I think. Yeah. Well, their team is absolutely stacked. Salah, Skriniar, that is crazy. It's tied 0-0. I'm thinking of Ronaldo Sanchez, I'm thinking of Pablo. Should be on Palacios like that. That could be a 2 changes. Fred gets a yellow card. Ties 0-0. Jan Oblak takes home the man of the match ball. That's obviously drawing to Manchester United. So we are in third place, just one game behind United, okay. Chelsea lose. That's Chelsea draw, so we're still in that third place seat. Renato Sanchez is injured. Oh. Team of the month. Only Bernadeschi in that. That's fine. Let's get into the final game of today's episode, which is going to be against none other than Burnley. Renato Sanchez and the Serbian Bakayoko. So yeah, this video is not sponsored.
The new Schick Hydro Stubble Eraser. Save up to 7 days of stubble with less tug, less pull. Schick Hydro.
We have 54 rated player lot. Okay. We should be winning this. Let's take a Bakayoko on this guy. Yep. Bernadeschi scores. Let's go. I'll take that. It's 22 appearances, 3 goals, 3 assists. That's actually pretty good. I'll take that for a win against Burnley. Let's go to board. How do you see the board in this game? Job offers. And that was the final games of today's episode. We ended off in second place, just the one game of Manchester City. So if you guys like today's episode, please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out.